I now I'll discuss about the virtual product. Okay, so what is virtual product? Virtual product is not a physical product. That means it does not require shipping. Okay, so these are typically intangible items such as services, subscriptions, or any downloadable content that do not have a physical presence, but it is a sellable product. Okay, so they're ideal for online services or digital goods where no physical delivery is needed. Understood? So example of a virtual product, you can say online yoga classes. Okay. So people are giving online yoga, for that they are charging. So you have to purchase it online, but it has no physical product. So how to create this virtual product? See, so as usual, we have to go with the products, then add new product. Okay. So let my product name is online yoga class. So we have to give the detailed description of your online yoga class. Okay. What are all the course content? How many days? What are the things to be taught? What is the price? Okay. So here, what we have to do, we have to go for virtual. Okay. So these all are nothing to be selected. It's a simple product. So it's neither grouped, neither affiliate, neither variable. So it should be virtual product. Okay. Then you can set the regular price. Let your original price, you can say 9999, or say that 9000, but you are giving me the offer price of 699. Okay, and select the product image. I am selecting attractive product image, then publish it. Okay. Now I can go to my product. So it is taking time to load. You can see it quickly from here. View products. Even you can come from the shop. Okay. So this is online yoga class is added. Now add to cart. So see, it is already added. So previously added things you can do from here. So now that 6999 price is showing, as well as you can see the view part from here. Okay. So and then now you have to process reciprocity checkout. So this is the concept of virtual product. Okay. Thank you.